Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlists also. Thank you. Let's start. We still speak about the wall. At this video we will speak about the location line. When I click here to the wall and need to draw, I am in the level 1, I make the height to draw it top of this plane, and I will make until level 2, and in the location line I will work by the location line. But before this I will escape and I will go to architecture, and in the line model I will draw this line to help us in the understand this only for modification. I will take this, make copy. We'll speak about this in another video, but I need to make you understand some concept. Now I will go to wall and I will go to this wall as example, and from here I need to make wall center. Take care, just I click here and I will go up, he will draw it. If I make space, he will convert it. Okay, so you can convert before you draw, or you can draw and after this select and make mirror from here. This draw by what? By wall center. I will make similar, and from here make core center. Okay, I will make core center from here. Say this is snap core center. The same thing I can make like this or like this. I will delete this to understand the difference. Take care. Here he make the core center from this point. From here he take what? This not core center. This is wall center. The other thing for this, if I click here and make create similar, from this if I make finish, take care what's happened. From here I can make like this or this. He start from the finish exterior or interior. After this you can make by press space in your keyboard. Okay, the other thing you can need by is the core. Now I will draw from the core center. Take care, I will put here, we start from the core center, exterior and this interior. If I make like this, take care what's happened, because this is the core. If I make from here finish wall center, he will shift only grip. Now he not make shift for your wall, he only change the grip. Take care, because you finish the drawing. But if you start by it first and make it from here, take care, you will change the place of a drawing. But here after you finish you can't change, you only can change the grip, and this grip help you if you need to make mirror. Okay, this something we need to speak about. Let's speak about another thing. If I go here for wall as example and I need partition, generate this, and as example I need make sketch. Okay, I make sketch from here, I make escape. If I make escape he will exit. After this I will make this, I make one escape so he can draw another one. And sometimes you make only sketch by this and use the temporary temperature to make exact dimension you need. As example, if you select, we speak about this before, but we will return this because I need to add something. When I click here, take care, what I select I can change. This is a concept for temporary dimension. I select this, I can change from here or from here. But from here, how much, and from here, how much? I will click here, take care. Sometimes I need to be from here or from here. I just click here, this he make it clear now. And from here, take care, he make clear. Now this temporary dimension here is clear. If I need this clear, as example, 1700, okay, he will make it clear. After this, if I need to change this one, now I change this. Not change this one, this not move, this will move. Okay, take care. Now I need to change this. I will make this. After this, I will make from here or from here as you need. Okay, now I need to move this one. But by logic, when I move this one in this direction or other direction, directly this will move according to this. Okay? Yeah. Take care. Just I click, he makes this. Update to make this. Because Revit is smart in the building. So it is BIM. You understand what you want. Okay? I will click here as example. And if I need this what will go? This will go. Okay? Now the change will be from this. And if I need to be from here as example. Sorry, I'll select here. Double click here. I will make here as example. Take care, this shift, the other one be smaller. Okay, but the easy thing to make, when I select this, take care, I must double click here to make it clear. No, this not fast thing in the Revit. We say Revit is smart, so he must have smart tool. So if you go to architecture, if you go to manage, and from additional setting, you go to temporary dimension. He told you type of temporary dimension properties. Now he speak about what? This whole center line, core, faces. This he speak about the line, location, line. So I will make it faces to give me pretty clear faces, and for the door and the window, put the opening. Okay, take care. If I need to change this now, direct give me what? Give me clear space. Direct, he give to me clear space because I told him give face and face. If I go to architecture and make as example door from here, take care. I will select the door. What he give for me? He give me clear one because this open for him. He give me clear for this. Now I can select and typing anything I need as example and arrange my work. If I go to manage and go to temporary here and make the center line, take care what's happened. When I select here, he make center line here in the side of the any door, window, and so on. So this is very important to go to additional and make opening. And if you work in another project and this need some modification, you must know how to make. Thank you. This video is finished. See you in another video.